The increasing competition in the NFT industry has pushed OpenSea to include Solana NFTs on its platform. This is Crypto Talks, where we talk about cryptocurrency and all you need to know in the world of finance. In this video, we will be talking about OpenSea and its approval to add Sol NFT to the platform. And at the end, we will discuss some advantages of this initiative. So, what are we waiting for? Without further ado, let's begin. Mint, sell, and trade NFTs on a large scale. Yes, it has become a lot easier nowadays. Begin with the best platform. Community initiatives provide resources to quickly launch your NFT on Solana. Because of Solana's high throughput and low fees, it is ideal for NFTs of all shapes and sizes. It focuses on the artwork rather than creating a new smart contract. The Solana NFT Standard and Minting program provides extensive customization as well as ecosystem-wide support. This is always on-chain. That means that they go from auctions to perpetual royalties coded right into the NFT. Solana supports a fully decentralized on-chain experience for artists and collectors. The most important part is permanent storage. Configure the best Web3 storage option for your project, whether through permanent, decentralized storage provided by Arweave or other popular standards. Everything is going beyond expectations. From Solana NFT minting to its fan following, it is going higher and higher with each passing day. That's why OpenSea came into the game and took its part. So, if you're looking for a reliable marketplace to trade Solana NFTs on, you've almost certainly come across one name that really merits your attention and money: OpenSea. Let me show you what OpenSea actually is. While the majority of us often search the internet for solutions as we try to wrap our heads around NFTs, a few people have done more than that. They understand what NFTs are and how to build their own trading platforms. And now, NFTs have become a permanent feature. We're thinking of joining a marketplace and evaluating the platforms they've built. OpenSea will help us to make everything possible. OpenSea is an Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. It was founded in 2017 and serves as a platform for listing and trading non-fungible blockchain tokens. Did you know that OpenSea is also regarded as one of the best NFT applications available in 2022? Although the first version of OpenSea was created with CryptoKitties in mind, it soon became obvious that there was the potential for a universal platform. As a result, the business quickly changed its name to OpenSea and began developing an Ethereum NFT marketplace that would support a wide range of blockchain games and apps. In this way, OpenSea aspires to be the industry's Swiss Army knife. It enables developers to create new types of games and applications without learning specific programming languages or dealing with a single broad-reaching blockchain system. This is important because it allows developers to work in emerging markets without first learning new technology. So, now OpenSea has some big news for you all. Any guesses? After Ethereum NFTs debuted, OpenSea has now stated that Solana NFTs would be added to its platform. The announcement came from a teaser video posted on the NFT Marketplace's official Twitter account. The video, titled "The Best Kept Secrets in Web3", highlighted multiple community requests for Solana NFTs. While the marketplace did not provide a precise timeframe for the integration, it is possible that the Solana functionality may be available as soon as late April. With the addition of Solana support, the network will become the third Layer 1 blockchain on OpenSea. According to the marketplace, Solana support has been added in beta with limited collection coverage. OpenSea says that it currently supports 165 collections, although if you search the marketplace by a chain, it shows more than 865,000 total NFTs minted on Solana. OpenSea currently lists Solana NFT collections such as Solana Monkey Business, DeGods, Degenerate Ape Academy, Aurori, and Shadowy Supercoder. Solana has cheaper transaction costs than Ethereum and is a more energy-efficient blockchain network that can handle more transactions at once. As the leading NFT marketplace, OpenSea now regularly handles billions of dollars worth of trading volume each month. Magic Eden is currently the largest NFT marketplace on Solana and generates volume in the hundreds of millions each month. Magic Eden confirmed to Decrypt this week that it will embrace its Solana native status and let customers spend tokens from projects like Aurori and DeGods to purchase NFTs. Intriguingly, OpenSea differs from other Solana marketplaces by letting users keep listed NFTs within their own wallets. Well, hello there! We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. Targeting rivals like Magic Eden and FTX NFTs, OpenSea wrote, "On OpenSea, you don't have to choose between liquidity and control. When you list, your NFTs stay in your wallet until they're sold." The question now is, why does OpenSea need to support Solana NFTs? Given Solana's position in the NFT arena, the choice to add it isn't entirely surprising. Solana is second only to Ethereum in terms of all-time NFT sales, with a total market cap of $1.5 billion. Since last summer, the Solana NFT terrain has grown dramatically, with popular NFT collections such as Degenerate Ape Academy, Aurori, and Solana Monkey Business being built on the network. Apart from that, the fact that the Solana network now offers a cheaper and faster transaction option to Ethereum has positioned it as one of the most serious competitors to the second largest crypto asset by market cap. The move is timely for OpenSea because more competitors are beginning to emerge in the space. In addition, the highly anticipated Coinbase NFT marketplace and the FTX marketplace have diverted attention away from OpenSea. Also, OpenSea's current litany of exploits has raised questions about whether the marketplace is safe for users. So, supporting a new blockchain could help the network cement its position as a market leader in the NFT space. But what will be the advantages of listing most of the Solana NFTs on OpenSea? This could be a very important question. There's a reason why OpenSea is so popular right now. It's jam-packed with features that many NFT traders love. Consider this. The developers were able to create a decentralized marketplace that appeared to meet the needs of every NFT trader and collector. Creating, buying, and selling NFTs is much easier. To start inside of OpenSea, you could both create and find the best Solana NFTs to buy. You will accomplish this by uploading and selling your own artwork or other digital assets to other traders. You can upload any form of the digital asset to OpenSea, including movies, images, and web links. If you enjoy creating art, you can use OpenSea to create new types of artwork that you can sell for a profit. You should also think about participating in an NFT auction. If you're a gamer like me, there are a plethora of entertaining NFTs to be had. You can also find entertaining games here. There are loads of options for people with a wide range of interests. Multiple crypto wallet options available on OpenSea. The majority of cryptocurrency marketplaces rely on one or two cryptocurrency wallets. However, OpenSea supports many. The platform supports cryptocurrency wallets including Coinbase, Portis, MetaMask, and Taurus. These wallets provide a variety of alternatives for accepting and making payments. Completely free. Initially, OpenSea was completely free to use. Now, the platform does charge a 2.5% fee for each sale made on the marketplace. Although this fee is definitely reasonable, there are no monthly or annual fees either. NFT Minting. Developers can create new NFTs in addition to buying and selling existing ones. You'll need to use the OpenSea API to achieve this. You can do this after you've created an account on the platform. Although this does necessitate the creation of a new wallet on the platform. This gives the developer control over what types of assets can be minted in the future by anyone on OpenSea. OpenSea also has a facility for creating custom asset names. If you want to design a new type of NFT that the platform does not yet support, you can do so easily. This initiative to include Solana NFTs on OpenSea is, in my opinion, the best move. If you're a creative person who enjoys making art or simply gazing at it, you should check out the platform. Furthermore, if you're looking for new Solana NFTs to trade, collect, or sell in the future, this is a wonderful spot to scout. Great job! We've covered all of our topic for today. I hope you enjoyed it. So, what do you think? Is this initiative the best idea for the Solana industry? Will the value of Sol NFT rise after being added into OpenSea? Now it's your turn. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. That concludes today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is Crypto Talks, and we'll see you in our next video.